Ever wanted a spa day but didn't want to leave your home? Imagine transforming your living space into a serene oasis of relaxation and self-care using items you already have on hand. This isn't just about indulgence, it's about understanding the importance of taking time for yourself in this fast-paced world. We're going to explore how you can create a holistic spa experience right in the comfort of your own home. Stay tuned to discover 5 simple yet effective DIY home spa regimens. First on the list is a soothing facial steam. To create your own spa-like experience, fill a bowl with hot water, lean over it, and drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. This simple act works wonders for your skin. The heat from the steam opens up your pores, allowing them to release impurities and toxins. It's a detoxifying treat that leaves your skin glowing and rejuvenated. In just minutes, you've created a mini facial steam room right in your home. Next, let's move on to a rejuvenating body scrub. With just 3 simple ingredients, sugar, oil, and your favorite essential oils, you can create an invigorating scrub that rivals those at high-end spas. The sugar granules gently exfoliate away dead skin cells, revealing fresh, glowing skin beneath. The oil, meanwhile, moisturizes and nourishes, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth. Add in the aroma of essential oils, and you've got a sensory experience that's as relaxing as it is renewing. Just like that, you've transformed your bathroom into a tropical spa. Now let's turn our attention to a nourishing hair mask. Imagine combining the hydrating qualities of coconut oil with honey's natural humectant properties. This simple concoction can be whipped up in your kitchen in no time. A hair mask like this not only moisturizes your tresses, but also strengthens them from the root to the tip. It's a natural, cost-effective way to pamper your locks, infusing them with vital nutrients. With this hair mask, you're on your way to salon-quality hair treatment. Fourth on our list is a relaxing foot soak. A simple yet effective way to pamper those tired feet at home. Start by filling a basin with warm water. Add a handful of Epsom salts, renowned for their soothing properties. Then, for a touch of luxury, add a few drops of your favorite essential oils. This not only adds a lovely fragrance, but can also have therapeutic effects. A foot soak can relieve foot pain and promote relaxation. And there you have it, a DIY foot spa that rivals any professional treatment. Lastly, but certainly not least, is a calming meditation session. Meditation is a practice that has been used for centuries to promote tranquility and inner peace. It allows us to connect with our inner selves, quiet the mind, and focus on the present moment. To conduct a simple meditation session at home, find a quiet and comfortable spot. Sit in a relaxed position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breathing. The benefits of meditation are plentiful. It can reduce stress, enhance self-awareness, and promote emotional health. It's like a mini vacation for your mind, offering a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Remember, the most important part of a spa day is relaxation. This meditation session will help you achieve just that. There you have it, 5 DIY home spa regimens that you can do right in the comfort of your own home. From facial steams that open up your pores, body scrubs for exfoliation, hair masks for lustrous locks, to foot soaks for relaxation and meditation for mental peace, we've covered it all. These simple yet effective routines not only enhance your beauty, but also promote overall health and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Until next time, enjoy your ultimate home spa day.